Hi guys, I'm going to tell you how to set up a WebLogic environment, and I'm going to explain the motivation behind distributed systems and list the major component of J2EE specification. Know the technology used throughout this course. Okay, distributed architecture and J2EE technologies, which consist of web and WS terms. Now I'm going to tell you how to set up WebLogic environment. Distributed systems, which divides the work among several independent modules, and where failure of a single module has a less impact on the overall system, which makes them more available, scalable, and maintainable. Many of the disadvantages of distribution systems come from standards. Standards provide separation of difficult problems to separate platforms, allow modularization of complex hardware and software, allow a larger portion of project cost to go towards solving business software needs. Java J2E platforms help to overcome distribution liabilities. Applications deployed with J2EE technologies are standardized, adhere to specific guidelines written in Java, deployable in any compliance application server. J2EE architecture consists of web clients, applets, client application. In web containers, you have servlets and JSP. EGP container, you have entity EJBs, session EJBs. And again, client application can have JNDI, JAS, JMX, JMS, JTA, RMI, JAX, RPC. And directory structure, we have AtLab and RDBMS, Corba, message queues, and web services. A servlet is a Java program that executes on the server, accepts client requests, and generates dynamic response. The most prevalent type of serverless is HTTP serverless that accept HTTP requests and generate HTTP response. Servlets do not just generate HTML, can also be used to generate other MIME types such as images. Java server pages are HTML documents interweaved with Java. JSP provides a dynamic response that is based on the client request. Provide for separation of responsibility between web presentation and dynamic content, or portable write once, run anywhere, compile and run servlets. EJB, a distributed component written in Java program language, provide distributed and deployable business service logic to clients, have well-defined interfaces, are reusable across application server, execute within a content that provides management control service. WebLogic 9 support EJB 2.1. JDBC is a standard Java interface for accessing heterogeneous databases, a specification that defines our different drivers types of connecting to database, application connecting to JDBC drivers and then to databases. JND is a Java application for accessing names and directory service, built as a Java layer of DNS and AtLab EDC. See, you have application code, then JNDI naming manager, JNDI specification, AdLab driver, and DNS driver. So those things you have to go over. WebLogic supports both distribution and local distributor transactions. Java message service is a queue-based system which we have point-to-point domains and publisher-subscriber domains. and it have an interoperability within messaging systems. You can see producer, destination, and consumer. So destination have both producer and consumers. Okay, thank you.